In the previous videos in this course, you've learned about the new and updated document management features you can use when you're working on a SharePoint site. But chances are, a lot of the work you do with documents happens directly in a Microsoft Office client program, such as Word. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a new document from a SharePoint template, update the SharePoint metadata for that document, insert a picture from an asset library on a SharePoint site into the document, and then save the document back to the SharePoint site. And it all happens directly within Microsoft Word 2010. I'm logged in as Robin Young. Let's say that Robin wants to create a new technical specification sheet for a line of spur gears. Because Robin is already in Word and she's pressed for time, she can start in Word instead of launching the browser and going to the SharePoint site. Here, I see the familiar new document experience, and I have the option of starting from a template. I see the templates that are local to Robin's machine. I see templates that are available from Office.com. I also see a category called SharePoint Templates, and I see the name of the Technical Publications Document Center site. Let's see what SharePoint templates are available. The templates listed here are the same individual document content types available on the new document menu for this library if I were to go to this library in the browser. I'm going to have Robin get started with the technical specification sheet. Because this template has some starter text in it, there's already some information here. I'm going to have Robin add a little bit of content. First, I'll update the product category. As you may remember from the previous videos in this course, the product category field is one of the managed metadata columns associated with this library. Robin can work with it from within Word as easily as she can work with it on the SharePoint site. Next, I'm going to have Robin insert a product category field directly into the body of the document. You can insert property fields for document properties, including SharePoint properties, directly into the body of your document, and this way the metadata stays in sync with your content. Next, I'm going to have Robin insert a picture of a spur gear into this document. She's going to select the image from the asset library on the Contoso Document Center site. Notice that she has the option of looking for assets based on folder or metadata. This is very similar to the metadata-driven browsing experience that she has on a SharePoint site. I'm going to have her look by metadata. And she's going to look for spur gear in the D series. And there we go. So let's have her pick this purple one and insert it. So let's say that Robin is finished with her updates for today. I'm going to have her go ahead and save this document now. You'll notice that Word is smart. It knows which library she created this document from, in other words, which library she selected the template from, and it's prompting her to save the document right back to that library. She also, right in her Client Save As dialog box, has this option called SharePoint Sites, and if she clicks that, she could see other locations. Here we just see the Media Assets library and the Documents library. Well, we want to save this in the Documents library, so we'll go back there and we'll just call it a tech spec sheet and we'll click Save. So now we're looking at the Technical Publications Document Center site for Contoso again, and I want to show you a couple of things. First, I wanted to point out that the document you just saw Robin create in Word, never visiting the SharePoint site directly, is right here. It has been saved to the site and it's appearing as the most recent document modified by Robin in her Modified by Me web part. Next, if we go to the Documents library, I'll show you how you can connect a library to your Office client program so that you can use it in the way you saw in this video. Here's the Connect to Office command. And if you select Add to SharePoint Sites, you will be able to access and use the content types for this library to create new documents directly in Word. And you'll also be able to save documents to this library, to this SharePoint location, easily from within any client program such as Word or Excel or PowerPoint. For more information about the features you've seen in this video, go to this website.